Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about JOIT paper which held on 21st March 2021. I have already uploaded the first video part 1 and I have discussed the question of series D 1 to 50 questions, and now I'll be discussing about 52 to 100 questions in this video, and इसमें mostly जो है कंप्यूटर के questions हैं. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So let's start. सबसे हमारा जो first question है इसमें, which is a derived data type in C language that consists of different members sharing the same memory location? Correct option is C, union. Next is, in C language all the preprocessor directives begins with the which character? Correct option is B, hash. The bitwise exclusive operator in C language is represented by which symbol? Correct option is D, caret. Which of the following operators in C language has two variants called pre and post? Correct option is B, increment. In C language all the character strings terminate with which character? Correct option is A, 0. Which of the following standard library functions in C language is used for formatted output? Correct option is printf. D is the correct option. What is the format specifier used in scanf to read a single character from the standard input? Correct option is D, char. Next है हमारा, what will be the output produced by the following code segment in a C program? So यहाँ पर correct option है A, 9. What will be the output produced by the following code segment in a C program? यहाँ पर correct option है C, 0. इन दोनों questions में I am not sure. After that 61 question है, which of the following statement is not true about variables in C programming language? Correct option is C, the variables can be declared anywhere within a program. Next है, if the size of short data type in C implementation is 2 bytes, then what is the maximum value that can be stored in a variable with this type? Correct option is C, 32767. Next is, what is the decimal representation of the 2s complement number 110111? So इसमें correct option है हमारा -21. D is the correct option here. Next is, how many bits are used for fractional part in IEEE floating point single precision representation? Correct option is C, 23. Which generation of programming languages make use of compilers and interprets? Correct option is C, third. What is the full form of DHCP with respect to computer networking? देखो DHCP की full form होती है Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. यहाँ पर ये भी कोई भी option नहीं है इसमें. Next is, what is the full form of Wi-Fi with respect to computer networks? Correct option is wireless fidelity. A is the correct option. A dash is a part of the operating system that handles the core functions like CPU scheduling and memory management etc. of the OS. Correct option is C, kernel. Next is, a scanner may have an ADF to feed pages for scanning. What is the full form of ADF in this statement? Correct option is D, automatic document feeder. Next is, how many bytes are there in 1 megabyte? इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा C, 2⁻20. ठीक है, 1 मेबी बाइट में 10⁻6 मेगा बाइट होते हैं, बट यहाँ पर बाइट्स पूछे गए हैं, सो हेयर करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी C. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ मेमोरी कैपेसिटी यूनिट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर? इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है B, GB, then TB, then PB, then EB. Next is, the terms hit and miss are associated with which memory? Cache memory. B is the correct option here. What type of printer contains a fuser assembly? Correct option is C, laser. Next is, by using dash option while printing multiple copies of a multi-page document, the printer will print all pages of each copy before printing the next copy. Correct option is C, collate. Next is, the dash provides mobile users with positioning, navigation and timing services. Correct option is A, global positioning system. Next is, image dash is the process of removing the unwanted outer areas from the image. Correct option is C, cropping. Next is, Amazon Web Services is an dash service platform offering various IaaS and PaaS solutions. B. Cloud computing. So Amazon Web Services is an cloud computing service platform offering various IaaS and PaaS solution. Next is which of the following is not a product of Adobe. So यहाँ पर Blender will be the correct option. Option D. Who among the following is the developer of C language? Correct option is Dennis Ritchie. D is the correct option. Which of the following is the correct pairing of networking terms with their inventors? यहाँ पर correct option होगा B. www Tim Berners-Lee, email Ray Tomlinson and internet Winton Cerf. So here B will be the correct option. Next is which of the following generations of computer used integrated circuits? Correct option is C. Third. Next is who among the following invented the CD-ROM? Correct option is James Russell. D is the correct option. Who among the following is the inventor of USB? Correct option is Ajay Bhatt. A is the correct option. What is the shortcut key to open the font dialog box in Microsoft Word? Correct option is C. Control plus D. Next is font sizes are generally measured in points which is equal to dash of an inch. Correct option is 1/72. D is the correct option. MS Word has tab stop set at every dash inch by default. Correct option is 1/2. A is the correct option. Next is which of the following is not a type of section breaks in MS Word? Correct option is next paragraph. Next is which of the following tabs in MS Word contains the options to insert footnotes? Correct option is C. References. Next is how can you use different page orientations in the same Word document? Correct option will be D. By changing margins. Next is what is the shortcut key to set the paragraph line spacing to 1.5 in MS Word document? Correct option is C. Control plus 5. Next is which of the following features of the MS Word lets you create personalized letters to a number of recipients with different names and addresses? Correct option will be D. Mail merge. Next is what is the key combination used to insert a new line character in the text of a cell in MS Excel worksheet? Correct option is A. Alt plus enter. Next is an array formula can be entered in a cell in MS Excel by entering formula and pressing dash. So here correct option will be C. Control plus shift plus enter. Next is which of the following features is not found in MS Excel? Correct option is split a cell. A is the correct option. Next is assume that you have full names of the employees in one column of the MS Excel. The option dash lets you split the full names into columns, first names and last names. Correct option is A. Text to columns. Next is which of the following options in MS Excel lets you restrict the value of a cell from a list of values? Correct option will be D. Data validation. Next is assume that in MS Excel sheet cell A1 contains the value 10% and cell A2 contains the value 5%. Then what will be the value of formula is equal to A1 into A2? I am not sure about this answer. Next question is which of the following is correct formula in MS Excel to round a number in the cell A1 to the nearest multiple of 10? Correct option is D. Is equal to round A1 comma minus 1. So next question I will upload in part 3 and 4. So if you liked my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.